You go to the market.
The shopkeeper speaks English.
You freeze.
You don't know what to say.
Today you will learn exact sentences for the market.
Simple, real, useful.
This is mastery in English. Imagine this situation.
You are at the market.
Many shops around you.
Many people talking.
A shopkeeper looks at you.
He waits for you to speak.
Your mind goes blank.
You feel nervous.
This happens to many learners.
But today we fix this problem.
Step by step.
Easy English only.
This lesson is from Mastery in English. First, you walk to a shop.
You do not need long sentences.
Short sentences are enough.
Clear sentences are best.
The shopkeeper is ready.
You need his attention.
Say this, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Repeat again.
Excuse me.
This sentence is very important.
It is polite.
It means, please listen.
Use it before questions.
Now you want to ask the price.
This is the most common thing.
Listen carefully. How much is this?
How much is this?
Say it again slowly.
How much is this?
Use this for one thing.
Henry. 1 apple. 1 item.
If there are many items, say this.
How much are these?
How much are these?
These means many things.
Apples, oranges, bananas. The shopkeeper answers.
He tells the price. It is $5.
It is $5, or he can say,
They are $5.
they are $5.
It is for 1 item.
They are for many items. Now you decide to buy.
You like the price.
Say this sentence. I would like this, please.
I would like this, please.
Repeat again.
I would like this, please.
This is very polite English, and
It sounds friendly and
it means I want to buy. You can also say this.
I will take it.
I will take it.
This sentence is short.
Very common in markets. Now let's talk about quantity.
Quantity means how much you want.
Listen carefully. I want 1 kilo, please.
I want 1 kilo, please.
Repeat again.
I want 1 kilo, please. Kilo is short for kilogram.
Used for food items. You can change the number.
Like this.
I want 2 kilos.
I want 2 kilos.
Or this.
I want half a kilo.
I want half a kilo.
Half means 50%.
Not full, just half. Now let's talk about freshness.
Fresh food is important.
Ask this question. Is this fresh?
Is this fresh?
Repeat slowly.
Is this fresh?
For many items, say this.
Are these fresh?
Are these fresh?
Fresh means new and good.
Not old. The shopkeeper answers.
Yes, it is fresh.
Yes, it is fresh. Or he says.
Very fresh today. Very fresh today. Very means a lot.
Very fresh means very good. Now you want to choose.
You do not like one item.
Say this. Can I see that one?
Can I see that one?
Repeat again.
Can I see that one? That one means another item.
Use it when pointing. You can also say,
Can I have this one?
Can I have this one?
Simple and polite sentence.
Easy to remember. Sometimes you want a different size.
Bigger or smaller?
Say this. Do you have a bigger one?
Do you have a bigger one?
Or this?
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
Bigger means more big.
Smaller means more small. Now let's talk about vegetables.
Tomatoes, potatoes, onions.
You ask like this. How much are the tomatoes?
How much are the tomatoes?
Repeat again.
How much are the tomatoes? You can change the item name.
Potatoes, onions, carrots. The shopkeeper answers.
They are $3.
They are $3. You buy them.
Say this sentence.
I would like 1 kilo of tomatoes.
I would like 1 kilo of tomatoes.
Long sentence, but easy.
Speak slowly.
Now let's talk about bargaining.
Asking for lower price.
Use polite English only. Is this the best price?
Is this the best price?
Repeat again.
Is this the best price? Best price means lowest price.
Very useful sentence. Another way to say it.
Can you give me a discount?
Can you give me a discount?
Discount means less money.
Lower price. The shopkeeper answers.
He may agree. Yes, I can give discount.
Yes, I can give discount. Or he says,
Sorry, no discount.
sorry, no discount.
Sorry sounds polite.
Even when saying no. Now you are ready to pay.
Payment time.
Ask this. How can I pay?
How can I pay?
Repeat again.
How can I pay? It asks the payment method.
Cash or card? The shopkeeper answers.
Cash is fine.
Cash is fine. Or he says,
Card is okay.
card is okay.
Cash means paper money.
Card means bank card. You give money.
You receive change.
Listen.
Here's your change.
Here is your change. Change means extra money back.
Very important word.
Now end politely.
Always say thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The shopkeeper replies,
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Friendly ending.
Very natural. Now let's repeat key sentences.
Repetition helps learning.
Excuse me?
Excuse me.
How much is this?
How much is this?
How much are these?
How much are these?
I would like this, please.
I would like this, please.
I want 1 kilo, please.
I want 1 kilo, please.
Are these fresh?
Are these fresh?
Is this the best price?
Is this the best price?
How can I pay?
How can I pay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Practice these lines every day.
Speak out loud.
Do not be shy.
Mistakes are okay.
This lesson is from Mastery in English.
We make English simple.
Easy for beginners.
Real life English.
If this video helped you,
Support our channel.
subscribe to Mastery in English.
Like this video.
Comment below.
Tell us what you want to learn next.